Do I hold down?
No, just push it. You'll see that it's recording. Just point it straight ahead.
Watch out for the tree!
Is that somebody or a bird? Is that somebody?
That's a bird. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Why are those signs there? There's no diamond signs.
Probably for caution for the cheese. Watch out.
This is really hard. Stuck?
We're stuck.
Dad got it. Control.
My dad does.
Stay long leg, Oriel. Stay long leg.
Oriel.
Is that a daddy leg?
Oriel.
What?
Pay attention to the camera, not the bug.
We're recording the whole thing.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So, which way are we going now?
Through the spooky Ghost River Trail.
So, are we going the way they did?
We're going this way.
Yep.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a tall tree.
These are tall trees.
Not that one, but that.
Oh, wow, that is a tall tree.
Look at it get fall.
Let's see the camera. Shut it off, just push the button.
What button? Off. Just push the button that...
Hey, yeah, we're going to see where those other guys are. We're going to hold up a second.
So,
Oh, yeah. Camera.
you press this
Push
button?
the button, yeah.
This one?